The Learning Factory at the American University in Cairo is where innovation begins. Students present their ideas, explain their concepts, and refine their designs before turning them into real prototypes.
The Learning Factory was established through a generous donation by trustee Atif Al-Touhi. I modeled it after the Learning Factory of Penn State University. And it's a makerspace for people to translate their ideas into prototypes or products. It actually currently serves students from all majors across AUC.
Blending creativity with engineering, Karim Shihab develops a lamp that reflects both innovation and practical design.
Touhi Learning Factory helped me to create my own lamp brand startup. The 3D printing machines over here, they really helped me achieve the building the prototypes and having multiple designs. We have successfully done that using the bamboo machine, the multicolor machine. It has really helped me to exceed my limits and go beyond what I can imagine.
A piece of wood is carefully placed into the CNC machine and secured in position. The machine begins shaping the raw material with precise cutting, transforming a simple board into a carefully crafted piece.
The Learning Factory, we have this machine, which is the CNC, where we take a block of material, whether wood or wax, and we connect it to the computer with a code to manufacture high accuracy parts, like this one. We start by roughing, then finishing to ensure a great surface finish for the part and a high accuracy for the intricate details like this one.
The laser cutter machine uses a focused beam of light that cut and shape materials like wood, acrylic, and thin material with high precision. These projects reveal more than design. They show learning in motion and ideas brought to life. This is Sharihan Hassan, AUCTV.